Hey guys, thanks for joining me again for Melissa Mondays on Hometalk Live. Today we're going to be putting together a really cute Christmas centerpiece for my coffee table. We're going to get started right away. We have a ton of beautiful decor items. Most of these I got from a site I'm really excited to tell you about called Hollar, and it's an online dollar store. So all of these are really inexpensive decor items. We're going to get started with a little rug for some texture, and then in the center we're going to add this mirror. So this mirror was only $5.50, crazy, and I like it because the mirror is going to reflect back some of the decorations that I put on here and some of the light. So it's 16 inches wide. We're going to set this right in the middle. Now I also like this because the circle is kind of different from the rectangular coffee table. And if you're just joining us, we are putting together a beautiful Christmas centerpiece on this coffee table using items that I found at the online dollar store Hollar. And if you know me, if you watch me usually on Hometalk Live, you know I'm super frugal. And so this is something I'm really excited to tell you about because the online dollar store Hollar has tons of items ranging from like $1 to $10. And your first order is actually free shipping. If you're interested to check it out, these are some of the items that I got, and there's actually a link posted in the top comment. If you just look, Hometalk should be posting the affiliate link for you guys to go check it out. These lanterns are one of my favorite things I found. They were only $6 a piece. And they have like this bottom here you can take out and put a tea light in it. So we're gonna put some tea lights in there. We're putting together this centerpiece for like really inexpensive decor, and I hope you guys really like it. I'm also going to be adding a little later in the show some natural touches, some painted pine cones and stuff, so you can follow along with me as I get crafty and paint some of those too. So as you can see, that's really easy. You just throw the tea light in there and then it twists. So how I usually put together an arrangement like this is I try and make it balanced. So I have like multiple items, right? This one I have 3 lanterns, and I balance those by lining them up diagonally. And then I have a few more items from Hollar that I'm gonna line up diagonal the other way. And that just is kind of an easy trick. If you've ever put together centerpieces and you've gotten frustrated, like it just doesn't look balanced at the end, that's a really good trick to line up your similar sized items diagonally in what you're putting together, okay? So these tea lights too, we just throw those in there. Now the other thing I got that I thought was gorgeous are these metallic tree cones. Look at these, you guys. And they're like really good quality. They're beautiful. So I'm gonna line these up diagonally the other way on the mirror, okay? So the mirror is gonna kind of reflect some of this, especially when we have the candles lit up. And I'm just gonna add 2 tree cones, but I wanted to show you too that it also came in like this pretty rose color, okay? So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like I said, these items are really inexpensive. We got them from the online dollar store Hollar, which you can find if you follow the affiliate link that's in the top of the comments. And if you're liking what I'm putting together so far, be sure to share this video. Okay, so I'm lining up these two the opposite way diagonally. And alongside that are these little trees, which are so cute and really inexpensive. Okay, just like that, right on the outside of the fur rug. Now I added the fur at the base for texture. And as you can see, I did my arrangement in diagonal. The lanterns going this way, the rest going this way.
Melissa, we did have a question about the cone trees.
Yeah.
Did you happen to know if there were varying sizes, or are they all the same size that they come in?
They're all the same size, but they come in 3 colors. So it was like silver, gold, and then that rose gold that I showed you. I'll pull it up again. So pretty, you guys. Beautiful. And they would look great as tabletop decor or in a centerpiece or a tablescape or whatever, like I showed you. Okay, so we are going to now kind of move over to do some crafts with this. I want to put together some pine cones, paint some pine cones to add to this centerpiece. So follow me. Now I have a really good trick for you guys. I love to decorate with pine cones from outdoors, but the thing about pine cones is sometimes they kind of have like debris in them and maybe even some bugs. So what I do is I actually bake them. I bake my pine cones at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. And that helps, it does three things actually. It helps the cones open up all the way. So all of these, sometimes they kind of get like all closed, and it opens them up. It dries them out so that the dirt and debris are easier to remove. And it also kills any bugs that might be in there. So we just want to use our hot pads, and then the next step after we bake them is put them in this strainer.
Great tips.
Yeah.
Well, so we've had some commenters asking about the promo code.
Yes. Okay, so we have an awesome promo code for you guys today. The promo code for Hollar, if you'd like to go check out that website and order stuff from them, remember your first order is free shipping, and you can get 40% off one item in your cart with a minimum $12 purchase if you use the promo code WTTW40. And that stands for my blog, Welcome to the Woods. You get 40% off one item with a $12 minimum purchase. Okay,
cool.
So be sure to use that. So now what we do is we just shake the pine cones, okay, and get all the debris out. Okay, see there's kind of yuckies falling into the sink. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna take them over to my work area and we're gonna paint them. I'm gonna show you a few different methods to paint these, okay? To just kind of spruce them up a little bit. So one thing we're gonna do first is, it's real easy and I think it looks cute, like little frosted tips, is put some white paint on here, okay? So if you guys missed that promo code, we're putting together a centerpiece with items from Hollar, the online dollar store, and if you want to get 40% off one item, you can use the promo code WTTW40, and all those letters are in caps. So be sure to share this video so that your friends can take advantage of that promo code, 40% off one item.
Would you mind reiterating the baking process that you used? We've had a number of people who thought that was such a great idea and are looking for clarification.
Yeah, so if you wanted to bake your pine cones, it just makes them safer to decorate with because it kills any bugs that might be in there. It opens up the cones, and it also kind of makes the debris and the dirt easier to clean out. So I bake them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And if you like that tip, or you know somebody who bakes with pine cones, or sorry, who decorates with pine cones, be sure to tag them in this video or share this on their page with them. So this, I'm just kind of making them look pretty, almost like they're frosted tips from the snow, by just taking a paintbrush.
Super easy and really cute.
Yeah, and I'm just like dabbing some white acrylic paint on there. Okay, really easy. We're gonna do a few of those, and I know that people out there have loved decorating with natural elements from outdoors just like me, so comment in any other fun ideas you guys have for items that you use from outdoors, like any evergreens you like to use, if you've done things with pine cones.
And yes, I would like to confirm for the person asking about the smell in the house when you bake pine cones.
Oh, I actually think it smells nice.
There is a smell when you bake your pine cones. It goes away pretty quickly.
Yeah, and it smells like pine. I think it smells like pine. And I would rather like be safe than kind of grossed out, honestly. So that smell doesn't really bother me.
I really like how it opens up the pine cones like that, where the petals separate
all the way.
Yeah, I think that's super pretty. I always wondered how people got
look
that
at
to
this
happen.
one. That one's really open.
Oh yeah.
And it's from baking it. So we're just coating these in paint, and then while the paint's still wet, we can also sprinkle on some glitter.
Oh yay!
I know I have glitter fans. I glitter everything.
Awesome. Hello to everybody tuning in from across the globe. We've got people from all across the United States and Greece. A couple of people from Greece, it looks like. Awesome. You guys must have gotten together and
said, had a Hometalk party.
Let's tune in for Hometalk.
Had a Hometalk party. Thank you guys. Yeah, comment in where you're coming in from. I am from central Minnesota, and today we're actually expecting a little bit of snow, which is perfect because I'm putting out all my Christmas decorations, like today's Christmas centerpiece, and I really want some snow to go alongside it, you know?
Would you mind reiterating for those watching what kind of paint you're using to do this?
Yeah, this is a simple white acrylic paint. Apple Barrel's a good brand, pretty inexpensive. You can find that at Amazon. If you go yeah, if you go to Amazon, you should be able to find that. So we have the paint still wet. I'm going to sprinkle it with some glitter.
Because who doesn't love glitter?
Right. Yeah, so some sparkly silver glitter.
Awesome.
Oh yeah, that's looking fabulous.
There we go.
I love that.
This is going to look so great when it's all put together.
Yeah, and the centerpiece, I love these little, like anything that I do in my home, yes, it's awesome to buy inexpensive decor, but then also adding that DIY touch. That's like what Hometalk's all about. So, you know me, I'm really frugal. So today, putting together this centerpiece for really inexpensive, I'm excited to show you guys when we're all done. These are all glittered up, and I want to show you one other method. So if you guys are more into spray painting so that the whole cone is covered, it's easier to spray paint them, and you just put them in a shoebox, spray paint them and shake them around so you can coat every single angle, and it also helps with overspray. You know, you don't want them like on a flat surface. You put them in a shoebox, it makes them really easy to spray paint. I spray painted some red. Okay.
Oh, fun!
See? And so I got like the whole cone covered.
Awesome!
And I wanted to show you guys how you would glitter them if you did it this way, if you spray painted them first.
This is a great tip for those of you who make wreaths and other Christmas decorations with pine cones around your house.
Yeah.
This is a great way to get your pine cones that little extra Christmassy touch.
Yeah, so what I do is you can use Elmer's glue or Mod Podge, some kind of adhesive, and then you just dilute it with water, okay, to kind of get the, yeah, I usually do like, I don't know, a little bit in there, like 2 parts water, 1 part glue, something like that.
Well, more people tuning in from Greece. Hey, that's awesome, you guys.
Yeah, so just mix that around. You have like this diluted, sticky, you know, glue, so that you can just dip the pine cones in there and then cover them in glitter, and when the Mod Podge dries, they'll stick on there.
Oh, I see. But the Mod Podge dries clear, then you don't end up with...
Right. See, so there's like liquidy Mod Podge on there and it's wet. So now I can cover them in red glitter, and when the Mod Podge dries, it's going to be glittery.
Oh, neat.
Can you see that okay, Paula?
Yeah, I think that's looking really awesome.
Yeah, so that's one way you can do it.
And if you like contrast, I mean, you could always put silver glitter on red or...
Yeah, I like that because it just kind of like gives those pine cones just a little bit of sparkle. Something where you're looking closely at it and you're like, oh, it's shiny. I love that. Really Christmassy. Has anyone else decorated pine cones?
We've had a couple people commenting about making wreaths and that they've used pine cones.
Yeah.
Most people are just letting me know where they're tuning in from, which is really exciting because I love seeing where everybody's signing on.
Yeah. Okay, so you guys, we're almost done with this step, and then we're going to go back to putting together the centerpiece for my coffee table. And that centerpiece idea, too, you guys could use for like tablescapes, if you're hosting Christmas dinner, something like that.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, I think...
Because you could do something long and thin for a centerpiece and like a long dining room table. Or...
Yeah. Okay, Paula, I'll meet you over there. I'm just going to wash my hands real quick,
All
okay?
right, sounds good. We're going to sit here and watch paint dry a little bit, you guys.
No.
I know how much you all love that.
You can go over that to the coffee table. Okay.
So to reiterate, for those of you guys who haven't tuned or have just tuned in or just joining us, we are putting together a really lovely Christmas centerpiece for this coffee table.
Yeah, and most of these items are from Hollar, the online dollar store, which you can go and get really inexpensive decor, ranging from like $1 to $10. These items were so inexpensive. If you just follow the affiliate link that's in the top comments, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to first lay down some cedar branches. I just clipped these from a cedar tree outside, and I love how the mirror that I got for less than $6, you guys, reflects these beautiful branches.
Oh yeah.
Okay, and it kind of ties in these little trees too that I added to it. I think that's really pretty. I love the different textures going on here. That's important when you're decorating, to add in a lot of texture and make it interesting.
We had one commenter mentioned that every year she soaks her pine cones with scent so that they have like a cinnamon smell in their room, which I think is a fantastic idea for the holidays.
I love that, you guys.
That's
I love
a
that.
great suggestion.
Okay, and if you're just joining us, right now we are offering a promo code for you guys if you want to check out Hollar. Follow that affiliate link there, and you can get 40% off one item with a $12 minimum purchase using the promo code, all caps, WTTW40. That stands for my blog, Welcome to the Woods. I'm Melissa Woods, and you guys know I love frugal ideas, so this online dollar store is like amazing. I actually went on there and I got these Christmas decor items for free from Hollar to put this together for you, but I loved it so much that I went and bought tons of other stuff there. I bought like a shower curtain and these boxes to organize my husband's office and all that. So now with the pine cones that we painted, we are going to sprinkle these throughout. And that touch of red, isn't that pretty, you guys?
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, it's just really Christmassy. I love that, okay? Some red. And you see how I balanced this? This centerpiece is balanced by diagonal, lining up the lanterns, lining up the metallic tree cones with the faux evergreen trees. And these are the painted pine cones we did, and I added some glitter when the paint was still wet. So yeah, if you guys are loving this, share this, then your friends can use that promo code too, and your friends can learn about Hollar. I know when I first heard about it, I was really stoked. I didn't know there was such a thing. There's free shipping on your first order, so you don't have to worry about that. You can take advantage of the dollar store prices, but, you know, like get a huge selection. I don't know about you guys, but when I go to the dollar store, I feel like I just never find as cute of things as other people do, but since Hollar has like a huge selection online, you can definitely find something you'll fall in love with. Look at this. I love this guy, okay? My theme this year, isn't this adorable? My theme this year is a winter woodland theme, and so that's why I got this rhinestone deer. Love him. Love him.
Oh, people are loving it.
He was like $4. Not even joking, $4. And he's big, actually.
Yeah, that's a good size.
Yes, so I just kind of tuck him, I think, let's see, I'm gonna move some of my pine cones so that he can kind of go here. And I want him to balance on the mirror. There we go. I think that's really pretty. I love that. You guys can see, if you want to get like a close-up, and then if you want to like go down a little bit so they can see how I chose like just a hint of red so that it would go with my teal. I have like this teal coffee table and then the teal painting in the background. I think that is like, it just all kind of goes together really well. And then if you saw my other live, I made like this little sweater pillowcase, so I think that goes too. It's kind of like festive for the holidays.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So if you guys really like frugal decorating ideas, be sure to check out my blog, like my page, it's up at top. And if you want to go check out Hollar, I think you will not be disappointed. Your first order is free shipping, so you have nothing to lose. We're going to light up these lanterns.
And for those of you who are scared of fire, go ahead and use battery-operated tea lights.
Yeah, there you go.
These vases, though, are glass, and they're, as you can see, really tall to protect that flame.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is safe. Yeah,
Beautiful.
And I think,
oh, it just adds such
these,
a cozy feel when you light.
I know. I think it's beautiful. These lanterns are one of my favorite things I got from Hollar. I mean, with the exception of the rhinestone deer, of course. So, yeah, the lanterns actually hang too. So I could use them like on a patio and hang them up.
Yeah, you could reuse them in other parts of the year. They wouldn't have to necessarily be just around Christmas.
Yeah. Isn't this pretty? So are you guys sending in the hearts? I hope you're really loving this. And I hope you guys take this opportunity to check out Hollar. Like I said, go to the affiliate link there and use the promo code WTTW40. Be sure to share this video so your friends can take advantage too. And we will see you next Monday. I'm on again for hashtag Melissa Mondays at 2 p.m. Central Time. Thank you.